Hi guys, I'm Kathy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome greeting card. So let's start. First, take a piece of chart paper in the given measurement. I have already drawn rocket in a piece of plain paper. I used white paper only. If you want, you can use color paper, and I have written Happy New Year in it. You can use it for any occasion. If you think of giving it in a birthday party, then you can write Happy Birthday instead of Happy New Year. I have given many details in it. You can also give any details which you are interested. If you want, you can draw the same also. The colors and details are all up to your wish. If you wish, you can also draw any stars or planets or anything, and also you can decorate it with any stones. It's all up to your wish. Cut a square out of a paper on the given measurement. I have used origami paper. You can use any papers. Then I have taken 2 strips of chart paper of sides 10 cm and 1 cm. Glue them to the piece of paper like this. After gluing, it should look like a gift box. You can also add some details like small circles, hearts, stars, or anything with sketch pens. Then cut the paper into half like this. Fold the side like this. Repeat the same with the other paper also. Glue it to the greeting card like this. Draw a ribbon at the top like this. Cut a ring out of yellow or golden foam sheet like this. Glue on both the ends as I am doing. Then I have cut a circle out of orange color foam sheet by measuring the ring. The circle must be in the size by which it can easily slide inside the ring. Finally, it looks like a planet. As I already said, you can use any details in this page. And on the next page we can write anything inside the gift box. You can also add any details in this page also, and we can write anything in this page. And finally we have to write our name also. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon.